Good morning, students. I hope all of you are doing well. So, let's take another chapter of GK, which is flowers in use. As you know that we use flowers in our daily life, and you must have seen different flowers. Flowers have a lot of uses in the human life. People often use flowers to express their deepest feeling, and flowers are very attractive, and flowers have been used as a source of oil, decoration, medicine, and many other things. So let's talk about different flowers. Let's talk about the first flower, which is rose flower. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru always kept this flower in his pocket, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru likes children very much. According to him, children are as beautiful and innocent as the roses. All children love him very much. He is popularly known as Nehru Chacha among the children. So he always carries a red rose in his pocket, which is a symbol of beauty and simplicity. Yes, next is we eat the flower part of this plant as vegetable, and what is the answer? Cauliflower. And the name of two plants whose flowers are eaten as vegetables are broccoli and cauliflower. Cauliflower is the plant from the cabbage family whose flower is used to eat as vegetable, and they are considered as one of the healthiest food, and it has many healthy benefits, and it can be used in salad also. Next is we use dried flower, buds of this flower as a spice, and the answer is clove. Originating in Indonesia, cloves are dried flower buds from the clove tree, and they are a popular spice that people use in meats, sauces, and rice dishes. Yes, next is this flower has thread of gold, and the answer is saffron. Saffron is not only used in cooking but also add aroma and gold yellow to our meals. Saffron can unhold many different healing effects. Saffron is used in the production of medicines, and patients with heart problems or iron deficiency can profit from saffron. Yes, next is this flower has butter in it, and the flower is buttercup. Why it is called buttercup? If a yellow reflection from flower's shiny petals can be seen under the chin, the person is said to be like a butter. And this custom is still taught to young children and shows how buttercup petals reflect light. Students, next is this flower has gold in it, and the answer is marigold. Marigold is a yellow orange color. It is named after the flower of the same name, and the flowers are open when the sun is out. The marigold is also called the herb of the sun, representing passion and even creativity. Yes, next is this flower turns and faces towards the sun throughout the day, and the answer is sunflower. Before the break of dawn, a young sunflower faces east towards the direction of the sunrise. As the sun moves from east to west, the flower turns westward as well. And when the sun sets, the flower reverts to its original position and facing east to begin the cycle again the next day. Next is this flower is an important industry in Netherlands. Tulips are an agriculture product. They take up most of the farmland in the tulip growing areas in the Netherlands, and there are farms that focus on the growing of tulips. Next is name the flower has the same name as its color, and the answer is violet. The flower that share its name with the color that found in the rainbow, that is violet. So this violet color also represents spiritual wisdom, faithfulness, which are the meaning that can be depicted in religious work of art. Last is this flower is seen in one of the hands of goddess Lakshmi, that is lotus. Mahalakshmi has the lotus flower in her hands. The lotus symbolizes fortune, self-knowledge and spiritual liberation as she has the lotus flower. Mahalakshmi is also known as Padma. So students, please read and revise this chapter again. Please watch this video again and read and revise this chapter again. Thank you and have a nice day.